bridal party to be in our wedding.
They keep trying to get me for my soul.
I didn't want to do the typical dinner, so of course it's a pool party. It's adult field day.
Of course, we wanted y'all to be a part of this next phase in our lives, so I guess we'll let y'all open the boxes and, you know.
Yes, we would like for y'all to be a part of our bridal party. Oh my gosh, what? I hope you guys are ready.
Did y'all know?
Did not know.
Did y'all know? Did y'all know?
Oh my God,
really.
I'm so
No.
Y'all supposed to be adult field day.
Did you know?
Exactly.
You thought it was what?
Adult field day.
Yeah,
open it. Open it. Open it. Open. Open.
Hold on, I got yes, let me record my box. I don't know if I want to put my throwback picture on it.
Caitlin got to put the throwback on. Look at y'all.
Hey, I knew you didn't put this joint in with me. Little ballhead.
Peggy, open yours. Everybody loves their box. Everybody love the boxes.
I love it so much. See, what you got, Peggy? Oh, Peggy got all her stuff laid out.
Sure do. Kayla about to get in the pool with hers. I'm going to tag Tatiana in that picture. Bray, you ain't shedding no tear, are you? Cause she drunk. Look, my grandmother laughing. TJ, let me see the pictures in your box. Okay.
Oh my God. Hey, nah, I ain't see this one. I ain't see this one now.
Okay.
Look at that. I like this. Oh my God.
Sir, my nigga, bro.
Noah, do you like your box?
Oh, no, for
Do you
sure.
like your little card that says Let's Be Blood?
Let's be blunt. I seen that. Let's be blunt. I got the.
I was like, oh, that's perfect. Drake, do you like your box?
Hell yeah, this shit sweet. It says, will you be my best?
Carlos.
Ubu flick, though.
Oh, it's the Uber for me.
That's Jesus.
That's literally part, yeah, like 2009.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you love your box?
I love it.
I love it. I done documented every piece of that box. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now we about to get right.
Okay.
Now we about to get right.
It's
wait,
time.
Can't wait for that date.
Thank you, girl. Everybody open their boxes. Okay.
Thank you, Tom.
Where the throwback at? I need to see the throwback. It's the throwback for me. Bria, where Bria at? I got throwbacks in her box.
Oh my God.
I got throwbacks in Casey box too. Atlanta.
We were so drunk on this. Oh my God. Y'all took me on my first vacation out the country.
Hey, we went to Jamaica. Look at me, Peggy. That was 2016. We was in Vegas. This was college. That was like 2014. That was 2016. 15. Okay, that was 2015. That was 2021.
2021.
Peggy engagement.
2021.
My engagement. Forgot about the cry. Where your pictures at?
Oh no.
That's at the pool.
Oh my God, that's so many.
That's in LA. I got one from when we was in Philly too. Oh, girl. Wow, this was about 2010.
Oh my gosh. This is the perfect one.
Yes. We was in Miami. I know Kayla for over 20 years.
I wasn't, no. And my mother was like,
My mother telling the story.
I was crying
Kayla
everywhere.
was 2. And now we 26 years.
They almost put me out. She said, and my kid was 3 and Kayla was 2.
I'm not a go, but I hate this shit. I like the coast, so I get this. This gun ain't gon' jam when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm in a Benz. I got the Porsche. I be your free. Try to select
Okay, perfect. Come over and you have to sit for good time.
Yes, absolutely.
Matter of fact, this can bring like a cup, a small cup.
Because you have to have about 8 or so.
8?
You
Yes.
ain't take no damn
We was
thing.
down. We just got back. We had to eat. We had to take bathroom breaks and everything. Like, it was bad.
Y'all was told like that.
Queen said, don't pull up.
Who got the bottle? right, y'all. I had to freeze the frame. This is hilarious. Please watch Bria. She's in the right-hand corner with the black and orange on. Did y'all just see that? Bria literally just pulled Brianna a shot of soda and not a shot of liquor. Brianna and Bria think they slick. Brianna was like, don't pour me a real shot. And she did it. I really wish y'all could have saw Brianna's face. She was making a face like it was liquor, like it was nasty. Okay, so down there we had the sock hop racing. They're gonna sock hop all the way down to these people. When they get down here to these people, they gotta do 5 hula hoops. And then they gotta run back down there. Okay? Alright. On your mark.
Now he got business.
Get set. Go. Come on, Bria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hell no, y'all. 1, 2. Come on, Caleb. 2, 3. 3. Come on, Caleb. Oh, hell no. Come on, Casey. You said run. I said run. Yo, yes. No, run. No, run. Stop. Y'all cheating my shit. Run.
Oh, you said run?
You said run back.
You said run back.
She said run. Okay, this was the first go round. This was practice. Practice. I'm out of breath. Okay. Wait. Okay, so as I was sitting here editing the video, I realized that I did not do an outro, but the party was a success, y'all. Like, everybody had such a good time. We literally laughed, talked, drank, ate, and literally just vibed out the whole night. Like, I didn't even really get a whole lot of footage of it. I have some clips from people's Insta stories and all that other stuff that y'all see in the video, but it was so perfect. Like, literally the night was perfect. The day was perfect. Everybody is super excited. From the beginning, Tom was like, oh, the guys don't need a box. You doing too much. Don't do a box for the game. Blah, 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 blah. When I tell y'all the guys love their boxes, like they love their boxes. They smoked their cigars right away. They drank their drinks right away. Like, they was excited. The girls was so excited, literally about to share the tea after seeing all the throwback pictures of us. It was so perfect. So, this was a success. I'm excited about everything going forward. Like, literally, this made me 10 times excited to see my friends, excited to be in our wedding, excited to be a part of this. If you do this idea, please tag me. Like, tag me, because y'all know how long it took me to come up with this. So if you do this, please tag me on Instagram so I can repost it. Send me some of y'all videos through the DM. And yeah, I hope you guys' bridesmaid and groomsmen proposals go perfect just like mine did. And stay tuned for more wedding planning. Make sure y'all subscribe. Right now I'm looking a mess. I gotta take my braids out. And I literally just been in the house. I've been working. I've been slacking on a lot of things. So I'm just trying to get my life together right now. But we back on track and we excited. So until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe and I will see you in my next video.